Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Minecraft connection lost. Chapter 1. How to fix error Minecraft connection lost adjusting DNS. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. After that, right-click on the network adapter and select Properties. In the window that opens, select Enable Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now you are going to activate the box. Use the following DNS server addresses. After that, enter the addresses to use. Click on OK. Chapter 2. How to fix error Minecraft connection lost from CMD. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator, click Yes to open the console. Now in the console, run the command ipconfig/flushdns, press Enter. Then release the IP with the command ipconfig/release. After that, renew the IP with the command ipconfig/renew. Finally, you are going to reset WinSock with the command netch winsock reset. Press Enter. For these changes to take effect, you must restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix error Minecraft connection lost updating Java. To get started, in the search box, enter Java. Click Configure Java. Now in the Update tab, click Update Now. You can check whether or not there are Java updates available. If you see a new update, click on Update. Click on Yes, and after this, you can click on Install and wait that process is complete. Chapter 4. How to fix error Minecraft connection lost uninstalling addon. To start, press Start and select Settings. Now go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Here, locate the VPN plugin called Hamachi, click on the 3 dots and click on Uninstall. You must confirm this and click on Yes to open the wizard. After that, follow the steps of the wizard to uninstall this utility. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.